Hello everyone. Welcome to the 5-day online faculty enrichment program on technology assisted teaching learning. And I hope everyone are staying safe and sound at your home. So this course is an initiative of IQAC, Vimla College, Thrissur, and myself, Smita PS, Assistant Professor in the Department of Botany, Vimla College. As we all know, almost every educational institutions are closed in India and abroad due to COVID-19 pandemic. However, with the help of ICT, we can resume our teaching learning practices in a more effective manner than before. Moreover, ICT applications diminishes the constraints due to time, space, and distance. Furthermore, as we are following a student-centric mode of teaching and learning, the role of a teacher has been transgressed to the role of a facilitator or mentor nowadays. So, we need to be tech-savvy to a certain extent for the successful usage of ICT in education. Hence, this course has been designed in such a way to enhance the efficiency of our faculty members to learn new technologies and to design and launch new courses of their own. Now, regarding the course structure, we have almost 5 modules. Each module will be focusing on a specific online tool and its applications, supported by video lectures, hands-on training, quiz and assignments. I request you all to make a short note while viewing the video lectures, which will help you to complete the assignments without much delay. Also, don't forget to give the feedback form, which is very important to improve myself. We will be using Google Classroom to conduct this course, and there is a discussion forum where you can post your comments and doubts regarding these topics. Feel free to ask any doubts as we are doing it as a co-learning process. Thank you.